What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. Wanted to make a quick update on that. Yesterday I did a video in which we were down here and I said, well, I think we're going to crash down to these levels. So was I wrong about that? Well, yes, it did not happen instantly, but it is still what I expect, believe it or not. So laugh at me now, perhaps I'm wrong, and then I hope you're making money off of that if I'm wrong. But yeah, I still think that, and in this video I'll explain to you why I think that. It's not that I have something against Luna Classic. I mean, if you watch my updates on Luna Classic the last couple of weeks, you know that I was saying that we could rally, and I really hope that we would rally for everybody holding Luna Classic out there. Just realistically speaking, I think it's more likely though now that we'll actually get some bearish momentum. But yeah, we'll talk about that in this video. Perhaps, I mean, it might still take some time before we drop down all the way to this level right here, around 8,600. But that is what we'll talk about. So we'll see. But for now, if you want, before we get into it, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Luna Classic, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now into Luna Classic. So to start off with some statistics. I mean, right now, if you take a look at Luna Classic, I mean, volume is still pretty decent. I think volume is still going up. So there's still momentum in the price. However, the thing we did though is that yesterday around this period of time, or yesterday a little bit later, we were actually very bullish. We even broke above this level right here around 10,000. We did not get a clean break, but we did break down below the bottom right here around 9,900. The thing is that this resistance right here at the 0.618 fib was so strong that it caused us to drop down below that again. So now we had a bearish breakout through not only 10,000, but also through this entire level between 9,800 all the way up to 10,000. So that's quite a big bearish confirmation. I wouldn't say it's the end of the world. I mean, there's always still, I would argue that if from here we can actually break above 10,000 once more, then we could actually rally all the way up to these levels around 11,000. I don't think it will happen, but I do want you to know that it's a possibility. It wouldn't be unrealistic, especially not right now. Well, what you can see is that USDT is also still, well, it's dropping down a little bit, but yesterday it was still quite bullish, and that's quite correlated with each other. And apart from that, I mean, Luna Classic has been doing some good things. Like if you take a look at the burn tax, I think the burn tax is actually pretty decent still, or pretty decent. I think it's pretty good still. And they had some good proposals passed recently. So overall, that's also why I thought Luna Classic could rally. So it's not doing that bad. It's just that after this bearish confirmation, and also if you, oh, excuse me, yeah, I don't think it's necessarily needed to check this out. But yeah, so we got an upgrade coming on. For example, the burn tax is burning Luna Classic, which is doing what it's supposed to do. I mean, you can see that we're doing fairly well. But if you take a look at something like this, and I'll excuse me that I have to look up so many sites, but it's really necessary, believe me. If you take a look at, for example, CoinGecko, where you can actually very well see, all right, you always have to look it up in a different way, but where you can actually see the volume very well. At least yesterday, what I saw is that the volume coming into Luna Classic, like quite a bit from BTC Turk, quite a bit from Deepcoin, again something from BTC Turk. Overall, it's together, it's something like 25%. That's not ideal. Those volume sources are usually manipulative, and then you take a look at the price action. It's just we're spiking up and down. I'd say it's a bit manipulated right now. So yeah, that's why that, together with the technical bearish confirmation we had, by having all of those bearish breakouts, leads me to believe that I think it's most likely we'll drop down to this level right here at around 9,200 and 9,100. From there we'll see again, but I don't think there will be enough strength for Luna Classic to really get enough momentum from that level to prevent us from dropping all the way down to 8,600. So that's also what I expect, a little bit more on the longer term. But yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.